Hi, today I'm going to make these very easy and simple to make Christmas ornaments. Perfect for decorating your house. Very simple to make. Materials I'm using are glitter foam sheets in golden, red and green. These are ribbons, thin ribbons. In red and green you can use any color. These are sparkle glues. So I've taken golden and silver. Some studs, stones in white, blue and red. So I had made a stencil, a Christmas tree shape, which I used on the green foam sheet and cut out these shapes. So these I can stick like this, so they should be like mirror images of each other. So from the green ribbon, I'm just going to cut out a piece. Now I'll just apply glue on these. So I'm taking this rubber based adhesive. Just apply glue on one. Take the ribbon. And stick it on this, and then I'll just stick this. Like so. Now I'm using a silver glitter. So with this I'll just make the garland on the tree. Like this. So I'll make this same thing on the other side too and let it dry. So after it has dried, it will look like this on both sides. Now I'm just going to stick these stones. These are basically plastic rhinestones. I'm going to stick them alternately, so that they look like lights. So just apply glue. For instance, like this. So I'll start with, let's say I start with blue, and I can put a white, then a red, like this. So I'll just cover the entire. So this is how it's going to look after it's finished, on from both sides, and you can hang this easily as a Christmas ornament. So I made these others also in the same way, just making a hole in the star and decorating the bell shape. So you can make any design like this.